Hi, and welcome to P2Plending. In today's video, we're going to explain to you the answers to the most frequently asked questions of peer-to-peer lending. Hi, so the frequently asked questions of peer-to-peer lending. Question number one, what is peer-to-peer lending? Well, very simply, peer-to-peer lending is when a company is looking for a business loan and they're seeking investors who want to invest into the loan and borrow the money. Traditionally, they would have gone to banks, but after the financial crisis, banks have stopped lending out to such an extent. And so peer-to-peer lending was created by the need of people looking for money with a combination of other people who had money in a bank account earning a very low interest rate. So peer-to-peer lending connects the two people. So how does peer-to-peer lending work? Is very, very simple. Once you register with a platform, then there'll be a whole array of different businesses, different loans, and you can invest in any of the loans that you choose from. You can choose on your settings how you do that, but the decision is yours. You can go by credit risk band, you can go by industries that you know. It's completely up to you on how you choose the loans, but you'll make your loans through the investment platform. Okay, another frequently asked question is what sort of returns can you expect to make using peer-to-peer lending? Well, that's a slightly difficult question to answer, but in a short answer, you will be making more than 6% per year. I haven't got a single investment platform where I'm making less than 6%. The highest one I'm making totally right now is making me, last time I checked, 7.8%. So realistically, you will be making a net return of between 6 and 8%. Actually, you'll be lending out at more than that. You'll be lending out at 10, 11, 12%, but you're going to encounter some bad debt and you're going to have to pay the platform fees. So the return that you'll make will be between 6 and 8%. Next question. What are the risks of peer-to-peer lending? Is it dangerous? Is it risky? Well, short answer, no. Longer answer, yes, of course there are risks. Nobody pays you back interest rates at more than double digits unless there's some risk. That's not how it works. But the risks are all calculated into what you're going to eventually get as your net return. So if you're lending out at 11% with a 1% platform risk and an average of 2.5% a default risk in that rate band, in that risk band, you'll be making 11 minus 1 is 10 minus 2.5 is 7.5%. So those are the risks. They're inherent in it, but you will be making money because the risks are quite small compared to the majority of loans, which will be paying you back on time as normal. Okay, and the last big question that many people ask us here at P2Plending is what's your tax situation? Well, obviously you have to pay tax on your savings, you have to pay tax on interest, on profit that you make. The one problem here is that currently, as it stands, you're going to be taxed on the gross amount that you're lending out, not the net amount that you're receiving. And that is a slight difference there, and it will affect the return that you eventually make in your fully diversified return. But of course you have to pay tax, and each platform will show you how you need to do that yourself. So those are the biggest questions that we get asked, the frequently asked questions of peer-to-peer lending. Thank you very much. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. Now, please do go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And for lots more information, go to peer-to-plending.com. Thank you.